Another video, and this time it's about Valentine's type of get ready with me chit chat. And y'all, this is the look that I did. I was going for a more reddish, you know, goldish type of color, and I also ordered 2 dresses of Opoly, which you will see at the end of the video. And I don't know which dress to actually go for, so that's it. I don't actually know, so leave your comments below and tell me which dress should I go for. I love the both of them, that is in all honesty. And see the way my wig is flowy. Yes, I got a tip for you as well in there. So first of all, what I'm going to start is to prep my face with this oil. I got it recently in Boots, and it's UVA B+ blue light. So, and it has some vitamin E in it, so I'm going to use it just tiny drop like this and prep my face. And guys, I have already done my eyebrows off camera because I don't want the video to be too long. So that is it. It's this amazing shimmer bronzing. This is it. I want to bring a bit of glow in my on my face, so just tiny bit here, and here, and here. It's my first time using it on my face actually, so I don't know what it does, but we'll see. But anyway, I bought this primer recently. It's L'Oreal Paris, and it's mattifying, and I have a really oily skin, so let's see what it does. I don't really want to use primer, but for the purpose of this video, let's try together and see what the primer actually does. So yeah, this is it. I don't know. The fact that it's mattifying, that's it. And now I'm gonna go with my L'Oreal Infallible matte cover, and I'm gonna mix these 2 colors. I tried them on in Boots, and I couldn't find the right color that went with my skin tone, because one of them is dark and then the other one is light. Let me show you guys. Look at it. They're like different shades. So yeah, so I decided to mix them and see the outcome. Let's see. And I always use my hands to apply my foundation, so excuse if I look down here. I have a mirror. I need to see what I'm doing. So blend it out with this brush from Technique, Real Technique brush. So go over it. Blend. So you guys, what are your plans for Valentine's? This week all over Instagram you will see most of the things about love, self-love and stuff like that. And I actually believe in self-love. Before you can even celebrate with anybody, you need to feel complete yourself before someone else can complete you, you know. So I think Valentine's should be more about self-love before celebrating it with somebody else. I actually really like this foundation. It matches with my skin tone, no? What do you guys think? Cool tan and and oh, that is a bit too much, but we'll see. I remember I used to be so bad at using concealer. Oh gosh. And the thing that you need, so I actually really like the Elegant Pro concealer. I started using it recently, maybe a year ago, and I like the job that it does. And I got this beauty blender from Amazon. Check out my other video where I actually talk about it. I got it off Amazon, and it's nearly, not even nearly, it's so soft. It's like the one that I got a while back from Real Techniques, Real Techniques has one, and this is the other one. I actually got it in 2 sets. This one is not clean. I've used it like 3 times. I'm not baking, but I'm going to set it. I used to like to bake my my concealer, but not anymore. I think I will use this shade, this one. It's a bit light and it gives me how do I call it? It makes my makeup stand out, but I want a natural look. So for me to have that natural look, I have to use this shade from Revelation. It actually goes perfectly with my skin. I think I'm gonna use let's see, maybe this brush. I got this brush, oh gosh, a while back from, I think it's Coastal Scent. Yeah, I got this brush of, the writing is even gone. I got it off Coastal Scent. So now I want to character, you see. This is it. I've used this already in my in one of the videos already, and I love it. All my eyeshadow palettes is Juvias, please. I actually don't do any other brands. Maybe I should start, since I have a YouTube channel. Let me not be biased. I might as well try others. So I'm going to contour my nose and stuff like that. So I bring it a bit up here. Contour, I use this shade here. I mix a bit of this and this, this and this. This is too dark, so I use mostly this. And now I'm going to use my Real Technique brush again and snatch it. This is it. So I'm going to do my eyeshadow off camera and I'll be back. I don't know what look I'm going for, so it was kind of like a surprise, isn't it? I'm thinking back. So yeah, look at it. I'm looking for that gold effect, and I always add it on top of my blush. So I'll put the blush already. Now I'm gonna add the gold one, this, and here on top of my blush. And there you go. And now I'm going to use my fingers, get this amount in my nose. The highlighter and everything. Now I'm going to do my lips. What color should I go for? I think a nude lip rather than red. Red will be more bold. I know I'm going for a Valentine's Day look, but red will be too bold. So I'm thinking maybe goldish, nudish color. So 1 second, I need to find what I want to go for. I don't know. This is it. And like I always say, guys, do you, whatever works for you, that's what you do, you know. And now I'm going to apply this. I really like this lipstick because it has a matte effect. Although it's not all the time I want it to be matte. Whenever I don't want it to be matte, I add a lip gloss on it. So that's it. I'll soon be traveling. And by the way, don't forget to check me out on my other social media. I'm on Instagram at bychacha. I will leave the link down below. And like I said, I know I'm new at this YouTube thing, but anything you want to know about me at all, if you want me to do a chit chat, get ready with me. Well, this one is already warm, but even a Q&A, you know, just let me know, write it down, and I will gladly do it so that you guys can know me better and know more about me. So this is a, I think I really like it. I like the hair snatch. And I'm going to use a synthetic wig that I actually got off Aliexpress. If you want the link, I will leave it down below. Don't forget to check the description. I'm not that complicated either. Look at it. This hair is so matted. Last night I was gonna cut it. I was gonna make it into a bob until I figured out a way to actually make it slick. Look at this side. Look at it. This side is more slick, and then this side is still rough. So I will show you what I actually do, and I'm going to use this Revlon blow dryer. So see that? That's what you want. I just gave you a tip there. Whenever you have a synthetic wig that is matted, I actually wanted to do this on a separate video, but I love you guys too much, so I had to give you this tip. And that's a gift from me for Valentine's. Where is scarf actually? I'm doing a middle part, so we'll see. So look at what I'm using, tweezer. My life. Well, I don't want a perfect line either, so there we go. Yeah, hider, because I don't like to lace wig showing like that. And be careful with the got to be glue, the yellow one, because it turns out white. That's why it's not my favorite in terms of gluing down my lace wig, but that's what I have, so I gotta do what I gotta do. Anyway, I'm gonna wipe this. This is it. Now this is me done, so let me not forget, I'm going to add this Essence XXL Nude on my lipstick because I really don't like it. I don't like the way it's just blonde like that. So I'll be back in a bit, and you're gonna see the outfit that I'm gonna wear. I don't know which outfit to go for though. I ordered 2 outfits of Opoly. Yes. I ordered 2 outfits of Opoly, so I'm gonna try them on so that you guys can have a look for my dinner date for Valentine's. And like I said already, you have to love yourself first before you can give your love to someone. I love it. This is the back, if you want that curve. And yeah, what do you think? Should I go for this dress or which one? I think it actually fits perfectly. I thought here was big, but I didn't zip it all the way, so I have now, and I couldn't be more grateful. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. So anyway, this is a okay. Now I'm not trying to reveal. Let's see. I think you can make your so yeah, when I put it on, I think I have to push it up so that I think this is like a no bra dress, but I need a bra. After having a child or children, you need a bra. So this is it anyway. I don't know how I'm feeling this one, but I think I love the way it snatches my body, you know. And this is the back. What do you think? But I really love it person, so I think this is gonna go really cute with it, like this and like so. There you go, nothing complicated. Anyway, let me know which outfit I should wear, because outfit 1 or 2, I don't know, we're going to see. But this is it again on the close-up, and then this is the back. And see, my bra is showing, so I think this is a no bra type of show. Unless I actually tape my boobs. You know what I mean? I think I need to just tape my boobs and then I should be ready to go. So let me know which dress should I wear. And thank you for tuning in, and until next time, bye.